Hello friends, welcome to UPSC Mains Marks Booster Program designed by Gig Academy. This is a course for reskilling your answer writing skills. See, basically answer writing skills are necessary to get excellent marks in UPSC Mains. And whether you are preparing for UPSC Mains 2020 or the next year, you need to cultivate the skill of writing good answers. And with this Gig Academy course, you can do that in very less time. That is within 30 days to be precise. First of all, we need to understand the importance of mains examination. See, this is the cutoff marks for 2019 mains exam. For the general category student examination, you need to score 751 out of 1750 marks, and so on for the other category students. And the final list marks are like 961, 909 for the economic weaker section, 925 for the OBC, and so on. So when you subtract this, these are the marks required to get qualified. These are the marks that you need to achieve in your interview, which are 210, 213, 207, very high marks and very subjective also. Interview is totally depend upon so many factors like how well you are prepared, how is the interview board, what kind of questions they are asking. But what you can be assured of is you can easily score good marks in mains, so you need to less depend upon your interview marks. Obviously interview marks are important, but without mains scores you will not be able to get an interview call. For example, if you are scoring 100 to 105 per GS paper, multiply by 4, so your marks will be around 400 to 420 in all GS papers. And if you are getting 300 marks in optional, so your total will be around 700 to 720. Still, you are not clearing CS mains, and leave about getting a good rank, you are not clearing civil services mains cutoff. In order to improve GS marks, there are very challenging thing is you have to cover entire syllabus of GS paper with your optional, with your essay and compulsory papers in very limited time. Say now 50 more plus days are remaining. Moreover, GS marks are not totally dependent upon your knowledge. They are dependent upon how well you are prepared in terms of practicing model questions, writing, how well you are writing your answer, whether you are able to complete this paper within 3 hours with good quality answers. So particular in this time, in this pandemic time, people are reading from their home and not able to do this answer writing practice, which is very crucial to get through this mains examination. So in this aspect, what Gig Academy is doing, what basically you are going to get in this course is, first, there will be the topic wise full analysis of previous year papers of UPSC mains, all GS subjects, GS 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will get the basic understanding of the nature of the question which UPSC is setting. So this topic wise analysis, you can see our YouTube channel. This is free for all. You guys can go there and check how to approach and question paper. So basically we are covering all the subtopics of GS papers. Say for example, whatever questions are coming from culture, society, history, geography, similarly polity, all the questions paper are dealt with accordingly, and with proper directives, what directives they are giving, like for analysis how you can approach the question paper, with critically analysis how you can approach the paper. Moreover, if the question is 10 markers, how to write a balanced answer within 150 words with proper intro, body, conclusion, and similarly for 15 markers, how to go about, what are the presentations basics you need to learn to increase your marks from being average to excellent. So secondly, what we will be doing is we will try to complete full syllabus in a question answer format within 30 days. Other topics which are very important from the means point of view this year will be also covered in the coming lectures. Mains is all about how good you are writing within a given time limit. That is, for 10 markers you need to write your answer in 7 to 8 minutes max, and for 15 markers the same goes to 10 to 11 minutes if I am being generous here. And in that minutes you need to answer according to the question, like what will be the intro and what will be the connecting sentence to the body, what data to be given in the body, what specific points to be mentioned here, how many points you can mention in a particular aspect of a question. So you need to maintain the proper balance here, and which can be learned only through following a rigorous and well structured answer writing practice. But what are the problems here in the answer writing? How to write a good answer, or what is the demand of the examiner? See, examiner doesn't know you. The only way he can know you is through your answer, how you are putting your statements there, how you are putting your arguments, how you are backing your arguments, all reflecting your personality to the examiner. So basically you need to write good in order to get good marks. So you need to write specific as per the context of the question asked. So how to develop all these things in such a less time answer writing course? What you will get here is 500 plus topics, important topics, covering all the areas of your GS syllabus. From all the 4 paper, all subtopics are covered here through question and answer format, where you get specific points to the point, addressing the question with proper substantiation from current affairs, facts, data, reports, etc. And which is necessary, what is necessary, not any random report. The very important reports like for tribal recommendation of Kaka committees and all. Moreover, you will get along in these 500 questions. First, how we will go through is we provide you discussion of important questions. See, this is to tell you how to write a good answer. Good answer. Approx 250 questions covering entire syllabus we will upload in our YouTube channel, Gig Academy YouTube channel, where you can see you need to write the questions. You need to write the questions and write an answer according to your present skill of answer writing. We will provide a detailed discussion of a model answer with specific points, case studies, with proper intro, proper conclusion, proper body, proper presentation, proper structuring. So you need to compare your answer with our answer and try to inculcate the process of writing good answers. So in these 250 questions covering entire syllabus, first thing is your syllabus will be completed in 30 days. Second thing is you know how to write within a specific time period, like how to write an answer in 8 to 10 minutes. Not sitting for an hour and writing a 2 question is not a big task, but sitting for 3 hours and writing 20 questions is a big task with proper points. So these skills you will get from this discussion of important question, you can log into our YouTube channel and see how to write good answers there. You need to practice what you have learned. You need to practice. So what will we provide you? We will provide important questions which have high probability of coming in this mains 2020 mains. You can go download those files and write the answers, and we'll guarantee you within 1 day we'll review your answers with proper comments. See, no coaching is giving one-to-one reviewing of your answer. They'll write just some simple arguments, or they'll just put some other content from their model answer, and they tell you to improve content and all. But no, we will review your approach. We will review how you are writing. You will review where you are lacking, how to write good answers, where you can improve. If you are lacking in content, we'll provide content. If you're lacking in substantiation, or if you're lacking in writing in concise manner, like somebody writes too long an intro, somebody write too short an intro, or too outside from the context. So we'll all point out these errors which affect you badly in mains examination. See, if you know 4 points, 4 relevant point, those are enough in a term marker questions. But if you are writing 1 point and filling the pages and thinking that you will get good marks, then this is not the right strategy. Third, this will be we will complete by 15th of December. So still you have 15 days left. So what you can do here is you can go to our test series, and here you'll get 8 full length GS test with full review. And if anyone feels that he needs one-on-one interaction, we can provide that also, and 2 complimentary essay paper. These will be checked within 2 days of writing exam. As I mentioned before, in step 1 you need to write a good intro, crisp as per the context. We will teach you how to write that in according to question, in according to context, in according to background, historical background, or why UPSC is asking this, what it needs from the topic. And similarly, we go to the topic, how to do a good transition from intro to bodies. Many people lack this area. They don't know how to transition from an intro to a body, and in body also how to write a balanced answer with specific points, and then to conclusion. So we'll provide in every 500 question you'll get guidance based on these 3 areas: how to write good intro, good body, and good conclusion, to prepare you with good quality content which you can represent, which you can reproduce in actual exam to get good marks. So finally, this is our course. This is previous year analysis. You can go and check in our YouTube channel. All the previous year question paper analysis is there. So what I suggest is you write your answer first and then see our answer uploaded there to get where you are standing right now, from a good answer, where your answer lies. So you can do that, and we will be also covering important current affairs which are having a high probability of coming this year. These current affairs topics will also be available for free there. So visit our channel, and remaining 2 parts like practice questions and getting other questions in video format, practice question and test series, these are in paid version, which fees is very minimal. So if you like our video, you can go and subscribe there. The link will be at the bottom of this video. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you join our course.